Here is my off-grid solar chest freezer right here, jwsolarusa. Right now the freezer is running. It's really warm. You can feel it, and it's gonna be that weird look of the light right there. And the refrigerator is running as well. The refrigerator, so family size, full size. You see it's running. Everything is running here. So let's go do a tea kettle and do a load test because I want to make tea. It's really cold here today. Here goes the tea kettle you guys have seen before. So we're going to be doing a load test. And here what is coming in, we have going on right now. My batteries are sitting at 30.8, and the freezer, the fridge is running plus other phantom loads, just minus 4 amps is taken out from the system. So let's go ahead and check it out and see how we're gonna be doing taking power from this battery bank, the VOLKSWAGEN e-Golf battery, and we can go ahead and slap some power into it just for the fun out of it. Guys, I'm making this video purposely for, I have a lot of people that don't believe on solar, anti-solar, but I've proven this thing to them. I've directed them on my channel, and they think we all making lies or telling lies about solar doesn't work, fossil fuel is the best, and they all kind of arguments. So I'll make this video again for the sake of the individuals that still throwing temper tantrum or whatever it is, and they don't believe on solar, blah 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 blah. Solar doesn't work. Solar has a long way to go. Solar is not blah blah blah. No, all kind of stuff. They're just talking. So I have to show them to different friends on YouTube so they can just experience that. But you know, what can you do? Sometimes you can't argue with people that never try things at all, because you just like putting an empty spoon in your mouth. So, make story short, you watch and see, or you watch and learn. Alright, this is how we roll in the solar world here at the jwsolarusa with all my folks online, everybody YouTube land. I'm just showing it. So let's see a tea kettle, a freezer, a fridge, and a tea kettle is going to be running simultaneously on a Magnum 4024, 4 kilowatts, 24 volt. Okay, and I'm running a single Magnum here. So I'm gonna be seeing all these crybabies that don't believe on solar. Okay, here we go. Maybe this won't make sense, or they will still argue anyway. Are you gonna win? No. Are you gonna change the perspective on things? No. This is what they believe. They just want to argue and argue and argue, and we give them the benefit of the doubt. I have power, you don't. When the power goes down, I can still run anything. I live my normal life, you don't. So let's see how things go here. If you don't take this now, well, it's on you. All right, let's see. On a countdown of 5, 4, 3, 2, initialize. Let's try it again. Forgot to plug it. Sorry. In the count of 5, 4, 3, 2. You catch that? Did you see the spike? Did you see it? we on solar. So you're in the dark. I'm not, because I have power and it's running. Keep the backlights on. We pull in 74 amps. Let's go here. DC meter, 74 amps. Meters, we're going to AC meter, 120 volts, 123. This is a clean power right here. It's a pure sine wave and we're running at 60 hertz. We pull in 13 amps on AC. So multiply 13 times 121, 123. Okay, 123. Let's say 13 times 123. You see exactly how much power we pull in here. The freezer, the fridge, and the tea kettle. I'll let you answer that question. So if you don't still believe it, well, I do, because it's live. It's there. Okay? It's there. 123 times 13 amps. This is AC, alternating current. Okay? There's nothing here to lie about. There's nothing to make false allegations. We pull in here, you see the total, but 72, 74 amp hours. So check this out. When the water is almost getting boiled, and I'm gonna show you. Let's move the camera to the tea kettle. For I am not playing any games. It's wired. It's plugged right there. So see that? You can hear the water. Alright. Now it's power in the house. So keep watching. Tea kettle is gonna be up pretty soon. And trust me, freezer, refrigerator, and it's still running simultaneously. So 13 times 123. That'll give you the thing. I'm not gonna do the math for you. Since you deny, you do the calculation and see what is coming out from these batteries right here. And the other ones are inside the box. Other equipment are here. Okay, pretty soon we're gonna end this. It's coming to an end. I can hear the water. It's almost getting done. I don't want to move the camera back and forth again. We might probably missed it. Well, it's gonna click. I can hear it boiling. I can hear it. Check the voltage. Watch the voltage. Rewind. Now it's gonna stop. Now 30.6. Look at that. 30.8. Did you see the power of lithium? He was sitting at 30.6. So rewind it and play it back. And see the time, the voltage that we were on before we start boiling the water. And now with all that load, that tea kettle is a 1500 watt tea kettle. And it only pulls 0.2 millivolt. It dropped the battery to 0.2 millivolts from 30.6 to 30. When it's done, it went back to 30.8. I still have load running. In the background, we went back to the same 4 amp hours we started with. And now the tea kettle is here. Here goes the water. I don't know if you can see the steam. Well, I can do it again. You can see the water boiling. There you go. it gonna stop? Maybe because I opened the lid, that's why. There you go. Because I opened the lid, so you just keep boiling. Alright, done with it. So make your judgments, or you call it a day. Like and subscribe. Love you guys all. jwsolarusa, live in Minnesota. Off-grid solar power system with the lithium ion, and we have running the system with a Volkswagen e-Golf. The Volkswagen e-Golf with the Ford Focus that's running the system right now, plus then another stack of Volkswagen e-Golf, 6 of them here, 2 more to go, then they're gonna be identical to this. Okay, they're gonna be 8.544 kilowatt. So get very close. I need 2 more. There's 6 over there. It's gonna be like a Twin Towers power wall by JW Solar USA. Like and subscribe. Bye for now.